from now?
10 years from now, makikita niyo ako sa korte, sumisigaw ng inosente po ako.
Huh?
Your Honor, inosente ako!
Engineer niya. How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Happy and successful.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Naalam ko sa Gitlik.
Nasa?
Nasa Gitlik.
Gitlik daw.
Nasa Hawaii. Successful. Okay, rich.
Oh, sa'yo na da.
Work sa Dream country which is Canada.
Wow. How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Siguro may tatlo na akong anak.
Ay, may tato.
Sabi na yung Jibril. May asawa na ako na.
Wow, okay.
Nasa ano na, nasa cruise ship na.
Ay, nasa cruises.
Nagpunto na ako doon sa cruise ship.
Okay, teka.
Nurse or doctor?
Okay, nurse or doctor. Bongga. Do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Ako?
Yeah.
Ano? Successful accountant na ako. Sige. Tapos, asawa ko na si ano.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Anak.
Ay, mga anak?
Tatlong aso.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
May asawa na naka... Tapos, katong every breakfast, tapos maging nurse, or maging housewife at engineer na, mechanical engineer, pelota na engineer. Yes!
Wait lang. Inshallah, ano na. Nakatapos ng 4 years score na pharma and doctor of pharmacy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yourself 10 years from now?
Sir, ikaw na, sir. How do you see yourself? Siguro nakatravel lang sa ibang bansa. Talagang ako na-travela, tapos successful ako. Naging dato na ako dito. Libre ako lang dito. Tapos ako kay ano, asawang mafia mo. Tapos masarap na.
Huh?
Wala na. Nahingaw.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Bukod sa pagiging mayaman, yung highlights ko sa IG puno ng vlogs ng iba't ibang countries.
Wow, okay. Bongga. See yourself 10 How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Ibantay tindahan sa pharmacy kay gipaparmak sa kong mama.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Hindi pa pala rin, maging pasyente na lang.
Oh, yeah. How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Ayun na lang, millionaire.
Oy, millionaire, bongga. 10 years from now?
Engineer na, bahay na kami.
Yourself 10 years from now?
Nakatupi sa Siargao with my afam.
Oh, how do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Living my life so good.
Oh, okay, wow, bongga. Yourself 10 years from now?
Maging psychologist.
Okay, maging psychologist na.
So, I am a successful doctor. Tapos, malaki, madami na yung ano ko, like parang ari-arian.
Oh, wow. You see yourself 10 years from now? How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
May tutoy na sila. I see myself 10 years from now kay nurse na sa ibang bansa. Amen.
See yourself 10 years from now?
Serving God. Serving God na.
Okay, serving God. See yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself in the mirror where I am a professional tambay.
See yourself 10 years from now?
Nasa bahay. KCC!
Saan bahay?
Bahay ng...
See yourself 10 years from now?
alam, di ko alam.
Magkasama siya?
No.
Do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Tama po pa rin. Pare!
Do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Still in rehab same person pa rin na rehab. Gusto ko 10 years.
Nag-review na ako niyan.
Asawa na ko rin mo.
Pero para mag-doktor.
Oh, how do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Myself in 10 years.
Yes.
So personally, I see myself in a ward. Kasi, ward.
Okay, okay.
Kasi, kuanan God ka nang ever since na kanang nagkabuot na gid ko. And then, parang ma-imagine ko yung sarili ko na wearing those white like uniforms, like nurse, or basta kahit anong medical mga staffs, so, or professional. So parang I want to see myself in a ward na doing some experiments or mga ginagamit ng mga patients. So yun. So sana matutunan rin yun. And then I want to see myself in the next 10 years as rich and yun yung ma-provide ko yung para sa sarili ko, para sa family ko. And then gusto ko rin mag-travel all around the world.
Adam, how do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Aside from helping other people, sana wala ko sa ginagawa mo. Sana marami kang pera kasi gusto ko lang. Ginas pa lang sa, hindi, first ang parents ko, especially my mother, kasi dahil mo ko yung family. Spoil ko muna sila, tapos spoil myself, and then my friends, and then to hang out with my classmates. Yes. I hope 10 years from now, my connection pa rin kami, and they will hang out with me.
See yourself 10 years from now.
Ano? Kung papalarin, magmama. Kung hindi ako papalarin, maninda ng sa makita na ko siguro successful. Dapat karon ako akong gusto ma-dreams na akong ginapangarap. Tapos sana dili na ako ma-failure ako mga magulang sa akong decision na bato in the future.
See yourself 10 years from now.
Maybe this is ordinary people or gym rat.
Gym rat. Mr. Darambisa, how do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself as a nurse and trying to pursue my dream as a surgeon.
Do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Ano? May anak? May trabaho na, successful na. Yun lang.
Hi guys! How do you see yourself 10 years from now? I see myself 10 years from now. Fortunately, I am working as a CPA lawyer with a stable job, stable salary, stable husband, and spoiling my parents and myself.
10 years from now, same kay Bea, I am already a CPA lawyer with a stable job, and I have my own business, and I got to spoil myself, travel sa buong mundo, and also spoil my parents and my siblings, and also my friends. I am in the next 10 years, I am able to fulfill my promises to them, their iPads, their iPhones. 10 years from now, I'm successful working sa field na papasukan kong course ngayon. Dapat itong course na pasukan ko ngayon, ito na talaga. And I hope na mayaman ako, mas spoil ko ang family ko, ang friends ko, ang sarili ko, and sana masaya ang buhay ko.
Yes!
10 years, so 28 ko. So I hope I'll be somewhere na love na ko akong job. I don't know what it is pa. So, love na ko akong job. O, dapat ako akong sweldo.
Yes!
Dapat makatravel ako around the world with friends, family. Dapat sweldo ako mamang-papa. Pupunta ako sa sarili ko. Punta, makagasto ko na wala gatanaw sa akong wallet.
10 years from now, I want to see myself as Rhea Harris Bertido, RMPMD. As they said, I want to see myself successful in every aspect, financially, socially, sa my family, ganun. Everything stable.
So, 10 years from now, I'm 28. Unta, stable na ko, ana. My life, my job, my family, my heart, and everything, my mental health, unta reach ako na. And unta, nakita na lang ako love of my life.
Okay.